बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वकफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फिल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद। बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। व तवक्कल अलल्लाह वकफ़ा बिल्लाहि वकीला। फी मुकाम आखिर क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला अलैसा अल्लाहु बिकाफ़िन अब्दा। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कसबुल हलाल फरीज़ा बादल फरीज़ा। सदक़ल्लाहु मौलाना अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि। Most respected brothers and elders in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's bring our hearts and our mind to the state of great shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who blessed us with iman, with Islam, and gave us tawfiq to come to his masjid to make Jummah salat. Great, mashallah. A Jummah is a second to the Eid. Subhanallah, for Mu'minin, every week there is Eid. Of course, there is Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, but Jummah is great. We have recommended we should make maximum Darood Shareef on Jummah salat. And all dua after Jummah salat, during Jummah salat are accepted. We should make maximum Darood Shareef on the day of Jummah especially. Last night, Thursday night, sleep with maximum Darood Shareef. You may get ziyarat of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I quoted before the ayat Mubarakah. Today I am talking about Tawaqal Allah. Trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah की ज़ात पर भरोसा की तरह करें. Simple meaning. But Tawaqal Allah. Trust 100% in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Kafa billah wakila, he is enough for us to take care of our affairs. The Hadith part, Kasbul halal fariza, badal fariza. To earn halal living. To earn halal living. Good job, halal job is a farz after salat, after Hajj, after Kalma Tayyiba, after Ramadan is also farz on us. Islam does not like the lazy person. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves the upper hand than the lower hand. Lower hand is the beggar. Upper hand is the giver. So therefore, Kasbul halal fariza, badal fariza, all prize, but prize, the earning halal living is also farz, is also ibadat. You understand clear? Going to job, do honest job, honest business is also a ibadat. But it does not mean, oh, I'm so busy in the job, I have no time for salah. No. Badal prize is the first on us. And now say, oh, this is dunya, I am going to earn dunya. We get deen from dunya. Dunya is the base of the deen. If we not in the dunya, so where you deen apply? Where we apply the deen? If we not living in the dunya, where we apply the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? We have to earn Jannah through dunya. Clear? This dunya is Darul Asbab. cause and effect. ये दुनिया दारुल असबाब है, effort and result. We have to make effort. We hope for the result. No effort, no result. No study, no A grade. Very clear. We have to make effort. This is how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent in the dunya overhead. We have earned the Jannah through our iman and our amal. We have to earn Jannah in the dunya. If we will not have strong iman and no salat 5 times, no Hajj, no taking care of dad and mom, no respecting the masjid, no good deed, we cannot earn Jannah. Very clear. Jannah is not easy to earn. We have to have correct iman, and on the light of that iman, we have to do good deed. The person who has no sin left over at the time of death, because he was doing tawbah. When we commit any sin, if we do tawbah, keep the record clear and clean, inshallah, when angel of death comes, straight door of Jannah open. To enter Jannah without via Jahannam is strong iman and good deed. Very clear. Therefore, we have to keep up our iman, faith, correct faith, as well as always be in doing good deed. If any sin happens, we are human being bashar. What should we do? We do tawbah right away. We have to adopt the means. We have to go to the job to end the check. Weekly check. We have to go to the job. Asbab. We have to adopt asbab. But asbab has not its own effect. Example, if we get sick, we have to go to doctor. We have to take a medicine. We have to take the medicine. But the medicine does not have its own sifat, quality to heal us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave order to the medicine, heal him. Allah put in the mind of the doctor, give him a right prescription. Understand? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put in the mind of the doctor, give right prescription. And then he pick up right medicine. And you take the medicine. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives shifa. Because dunya is darul asbab, cause and effect. Effort, you get result. No effort, no result. We will work for the Jannah with correct faith, 5 times salat, Hajj, obeying the parents, all other good deeds, halal earning, inshallah, we do hope with the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala we get Jannah. When we do anything, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put effect in that. The result is not in our hand. Medicine does not can cure itself ourselves. Just we have to do the asbab, medicine, and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There are two kinds of asbab, two kinds of effort. One is physical effort, go to the doctor, pick up the medicine and eat the medicine. Other spiritual sabab, spiritual effort, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the order to the medicine, heal him. Then we make dua. Very clear. We pick up the medicine, then we make dua. Dua is a spiritual medicine. Understand? Dua is a spiritual medicine and medicine is a physical medicine. We have taken both, physical and spiritual. You want boy, baby boy, okay. You want girl, okay. You have to get married. Marriage is a sabab. We have to get married to get the sweet children. If anybody go to Makkah Mukarramah and tawaf and crying, Ya Allah, give me son. They asked, okay, how long you get married? He said, I didn't marry yet. Please, if you don't get married yet, you cannot get the son. We have to adopt the asbab. This dunya is for asbab. Get A grade, we have to work day and night. Listen to the lecture carefully, do homework and make dua. Then it will work. Otherwise, no. F grade is waiting for. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, you know that when he was being thrown in the fire, all asbab came. Fire was there, and angel of fire came. I can finish it. Angel of water came, finish it. But Ibrahim alayhi salam, he denied all those asbab. But again, he adopted one asbab. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. He made dua to Allah. When he was flying into the fire, he made dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He made dua as a sabab. But it was a great test of Ibrahim alayhi salam. Tawheed is a great test of Tawheed. Ibrahim alayhi salam went through a great test of Tawheed. That Tawheed is not required from us. Listen carefully. We cannot slaughter our son on the day of Eid because Ibrahim alayhi salam was commanded. He was ready to do. We will not do it. We will follow the Sunnah of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Clear? In the Hunain, Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam was wearing 2 clothes of armor, not one. One was enough. But to teach the Ummah, you have to get the asbab. In the Hunain, the battle of Hunain, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was wearing double clothes. His tawaqal more than anybody else. But he should teach the Ummah. One Sahabi came to see Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet asked, how do you come? He said, Ya Rasulullah, I came by the camel. Where is the camel? He said, out of the Masjid Nabawi. So, did you tie camel legs? He said, no. Why not? I left the camel without tying the camel legs. In Tawaqal Allah. Allah के भरोसे पे मैं ऊंट के घुटने बांधे बगैर ही छोड़ दिया है. Prophet said, no, this is not tawakkal. This is not a tawakkal. Go outside, tie the camel legs with a rope strong, and then tawakkal on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Understand? Clear now? We have to go to job, work 9 to 5, then inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala send his check. Not going to job, lazy persons will not get the check. Failure, totally. Living in the dunya or Darul asbab. Hada hadayat. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kun, with the word kun, could give the hadayat to all human beings and jinn. So why he sent 24,000 prophets? 24,000 prophets came for hidayat of the mankind. In the end, our beloved prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came for the hidayat of the mankind and jinn until day of Qiyamah. How much he suffered, how much he did qurbani for the hidayat of the mankind. This is sabab. To put in effort for the deen is a sabab. We have to adopt that sabab. To get the hidayat, we have to connect ourselves with Quran and Majid. We have to connect ourselves with the Masjid. We have to connect ourselves with the ulama ikram, Shaykh Uzam. We have to come for 5 times salat. We have to make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should be the part of every good, positive, deeni effort. We should be part of that to our best ability. And moreover, we should always make dua. Dua is also one of the best sabab. But dua is a spiritual sabab, rohani, unseen. But we have to put physical effort also. Now you could physically came here, mashallah. Inshallah, after Jummah salat, during Jummah salat, make dua, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all the duas. There are two kinds of asbab. One are physical, one are spiritual. Sometimes we may not have physical asbab, but connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, spiritual asbab are must. Alone body is nothing. The real body, human being, has a ruh also. We need the ruh. In the same way, every effort has a ruh dua. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And make sure every dua is accepted. Every dua is accepted. Some dua are accepted right away. You get what you want. Some dua are delayed for a while. He knows. He's Hakim. When to give you what you want. And some dua are not accepted at all in the dunya. Why not? He is wise. Allah is wise. He knows what to give you, when to give you, how much to give you. In the day of Qiyamah, when Allah will start giving the reward of the du'as which were not accepted in the dunya, the banda will say, Ya Allah, my no dua should have been accepted in the dunya. So please, always make dua. Every good deed you do, after that, make dua. Ya Allah, accept it. There is a new custom going on. Some people make dua, they make salat, Salaam alaikum rahmatullah, stand up, run away right away. Okay, emergency, no problem. You park car wrong, and you were thinking about car also in the salat also, right? Where you got this masala? A dua over ibadah. A dua begging from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a ibadah. A dua mukhal ibadah. Dua is the essence of the ibadah. Surah Fatiha is a dua. Shaitan smart. You read Surah Fatiha in the salat, dua is done, don't make dua. Please, after salat, Ya Allah, accept my salat. Shaitan never make dua. And our father, Al-Falah, made dua. So therefore, never ever miss du'as. Any problem, any time, wudu is not required. Right away, any problem, we should rujoo ilallah. We beg Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Allah, I'm in this situation, please help me out. and every dua will be accepted, you will be helped out. We need the effort to get the result. Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam, when was under special condition, and she needs the food, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could bless her with the dates and water. But no, Maryam alayhi salam, you have to make effort. Shake the hand, shake the trunk of the tree, date tree. It was not right season, shake it. She was under condition, but she shook it and fresh dates came down. You need a spot. As I told before, Rasul ordered a Diyati, a heckle. You tie your camel leg, then trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When Yaqub alayhi salam sent his 11 sons to other places, to his Yusuf alayhi his other son, so what he advised him? He advised 11 sons that you are very handsome, look very nice, so be careful of evil eye. When you enter their city, my son, each enter different door. Don't enter all of the same door. People will have evil eye on you. So therefore, we should always, when we leave our home, our especially wife and children, we should read Darood Shareef one time, Ayatul Kursi, La 3 Kul. We should make this Ruqya below on the children, below our own self. You will be saved from evil eye. Very simple. In the morning salat, evening salat, we should do this also, this zikr. Especially La 3 surah and Ayatul Kursi is the best medicine for the evil eye. So, I was talking about the Tawaqal Allah. We should adopt the means what we can do. Then we should Tawaqal Allah. We should study hard, work hard for the dunya and for the Jannah. Connect yourself with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. With the Quran, we should connect ourselves with any positive good effort of deed. And then we hope Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the last breath with iman. Wa akhir da'wana and alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Jazakallah khair. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.